How to add Instagram link in TikTok. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to add your Instagram profile link to your TikTok bio. Without further ado, let's get started. Open TikTok on your device, tap on the profile icon at the bottom. Your TikTok profile will open up. Tap on the edit profile option. Now, select the links option. Over here, you will see options to add links for your website, Instagram and YouTube. Select the Instagram option. Your default browser will open up, redirecting you to Instagram. Now, log into the Instagram account that you want to link. Over here, you can either continue with Facebook or use your credentials to log in. Let's use credentials. At first, enter your username, phone number or email. Then, enter your account password. Once entered, tap the login button. Once logged into your account, Instagram will ask for permission to use cookies and similar technologies on other apps and websites. Tap the allow button. Now, TikTok will ask for permission to access your Instagram profile information. Tap the allow button. As you can see, your Instagram account is now linked to your TikTok profile. Go back to your TikTok profile and boom! You have successfully added your Instagram account link to your TikTok profile. Previously, it used to appear as an Instagram button, but with the recent update, you will now see your Instagram account link directly on your TikTok profile. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.